In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear cargo door handle on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located on the rear door. Let's get started. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to pop up the trim behind the door handle, pull the handle forward, and remove the trim. We have 2 Phillips head screws, one in the top and then one on the side right here. Remove the screws and remove the trim. We're going to go around and drill out the center of all 5 rivets. Drill out all of the rivets and remove the trim panel. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 nuts for the handle. There's going to be one more through this hole. You can slide that bracket out. Remove the 4 nuts using a 10mm socket. We're going to remove the rod out of the clip. We're going to get a pick in between the 2 halves. And we're going to push open this lock tab right here. Pull the tab open and remove the rod. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to push our clip back, which will allow this little lock tab to pop up. Pop that tab and move the clip back. Remove the clip and remove the bracket from the lock cylinder. Remove the assembly from the door. Twist the socket and remove it from the assembly. Remove the rod from the handle. Remove the rod from the assembly. Remove the spring. Pull on the handle and push this metal bracket piece down. They will separate. Then we can remove the handle out of the assembly. Remove the rod out of the new assembly. Grab the spring and pull the metal bracket off of the handle. Install the handle. Get your metal bracket into place. Get it installed onto the handle. Install the spring down into place. The spring is going to sit against this plastic molded part, and it's going to hook over our bracket and handle. Get the holes lined up for the bracket. And get the rod installed. Make sure your rod goes through the spring. Get the pin fully installed through the assembly. Be sure your spring is correctly on there. In your kit, you're going to get a tiny little clip, and we need to install this onto our rod. Get it installed around, you'll hear it click in. Install the assembly into the vehicle. Install your bulb socket. Twist it clockwise. And it'll click into place. Install the assembly into place. Install the 10mm nuts. Snug them down. Install the rod into the plastic clip and close it down until it locks into place. Install the clip into place and you'll hear that locking tab click. You want the U of the clip facing away from you, so it's going to bump out towards you. Install the bracket into the vehicle. Get it installed onto both studs. Install the nuts and snug them down. Install the panel into place and line up the holes for the rivets. Install the rivets. Go around and do this for all of the holes. Install the plastic trim piece. Get the screws started. Snug them down. Install the door handle cover. Install the bottom right-hand side first. Clip the rest into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.